Hi students, today we're going to solve an English problem that I know many of us have. You are wondering, when do you need an S and when do you need no S on a present tense verb? Is it correct to say I know or I knows? Is it correct to say he do or he does? So I'm going to show you the rule. The rule is, when the subject is he, she, or it, you need to put an S on the present tense verb. When the subject is an I, we, you, or they, there's no S on the present tense verb. So for example, I know or I knows. Which one is correct? Well, we're talking about I. The subject is I. So there's no S on the present tense verb. So the correct answer is I know. You would never say I knows. What about this one? He do or he does? Well, we're talking about he. So you do put an S on the present tense verb. So the correct answer is he does his work, not he do. All right, now before you can really use this word, you've got to be able to decide, is the subject he, she, it, or is it I, we, you, they? So I gave you some examples over here. Let's say we are talking about Miss Ryabstev. Is Miss Ryabstev in this group, I, we, you, they, where there's no S on the verb? Or is Miss Ryabstev in this group, he, she, it, where you do add the S? Well, Miss Ryabstev is a single person and she is female, so she belongs in this group. You would say Miss Ryabstev eats healthy food. She has an S on the verb. What about the paper? Is the paper he, she, it? Or is the paper I, we, you, they? The paper is a singular thing, so it's an it. You'd say the paper looks dirty. It's got an S because it's an it. What about my cousin? Which group is my cousin? Well, your cousin is one singular, either male or female, doesn't matter. So you would say, my cousin goes on vacation with an S because my cousin is in the he, she group. What if I'm talking to all you Salvadorans? Hey, all you Salvadorans, I think you like your president. Which group? All you Salvadorans. That's you guys. Hey, you Salvadorans. So you would say all Salvadorans love pupusas. Love has no S because all you Salvadorans is in that group. What about all of us? If I'm talking to all the people in this class, all of us, that's we. So you would say all of us do our homework. No S on the verb because all of us is we. What about my sisters? Not one sister, but two or three. Which group is my sisters? It's not one she, it's they because it's plural. It's my sisters. They, my sisters, make me crazy. Make, no S, because it's sisters, plural. Oh, wrong. My sisters, plural. My sisters, plural. They make me crazy. No S on the verb. Final choice. The teachers on Team Imagine. The teachers, plural. What group? Well, Mr. Workman is a he, Miss Gordon is a she, Miss Booba is a she, Mr. Chadwick is a he, Miss Whelan is a she. We're talking about all of the teachers in a group. So it's they, right? The teachers work hard. The teachers work. No S. I did it again. The teachers, plural. They work hard. Okay? So if the subject is I, we, you, they, no S. Love, do, make, work. If the subject is he, she, it, you put an S on the verb. Eats, looks, goes. Let's try some examples, and I want you to tell me what the correct answer is. Is it Mrs. Gordon throw the sandal or Mrs. Gordon throws the sandal? Well, you need to decide. Is Mrs. Gordon a he, she, it, or an I, we, you, they? What do you think? Mrs. Gordon is a she. So we say Mrs. Gordon, she what? She what? That's right. Mrs. Gordon needs an S on the verb. Mrs. Gordon throws the sandal. La chancla. What about this one? Meiosis, make or meiosis makes sex cells. What is meiosis? That's confusing. It's an idea. So the idea, what do you think? The idea is it. Meiosis, it's an idea. You need the S. So meiosis makes sex cells. What about sexual reproduction? Require two parents or sexual reproduction requires two parents? Now, many of you will get confused. You'll say, oh, two parents, that's plural. That's like we, you, so no S. Look at the subject. You have to look at the subject before the verb. Here's the verb. Look at the subject before the verb. Sexual reproduction. What is that? It's an idea, like it. So you do need the S. So sexual reproduction requires two parents. Always look at the subject that is before the verb. Melvin help or Melvin helps? Melvin is a he, so you need the S. Melvin helps other students. That's why we love it. Tajala and Fatima win or wins many awards? Well, two ladies, not just one lady, two ladies. So which group are they in? He, she, it, or we, you, they? Two ladies is they, so no S. So Fatima and Tajala are they. They win many awards. Why? Fatima and Tajala are they, no S on the present tense verb. Final question, both mitosis and meiosis is or are forms of cell division?
Mitosis is an idea, so it's it, but wait, there's two ideas. Mitosis and meiosis, so that's plural, that's they.
You got it, Pookie, no S. So both mitosis and meiosis are. There's no S on are. There is an S on S, or on is. So here is our new chant. The easiest way to remember this is he, she, it, S. He, she, it, S. He, she, it, S. She, S. It, S. It, S. He, Melvin, right? It makes with an S. It, S. Melvin helps. He, she, and it need the S in the present tense. Now, go ahead and do your homework.